Hi, my name is Tegus. I lead the networks department here in Vodafone. One of the reasons I love the networks department is because the network here in Hungary is constantly changing and we are always making improvements that will help the customer experience. My talk today will highlight some of the changes that we have been making and how we evolve our network to 5G. With 5G, we shall usher in the era of IoT, where billions of devices will be connected to the network. With this evolution, Vodafone has started to look at drones, both in Hungary and in some of our other markets, and how they can be used for our work and part of our everyday life. I shall touch on a few use cases, such as network planning and positioning systems for safer drone usage that are being tested. I believe it will be an interesting discussion, and I look forward to seeing you next week.